Welcome all of you. This is our second video of Python tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to add comment into the Python programming as well as data types of variable in Python. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time. Yes, just click on the launch button. Make sure you have to launch a Jupyter Notebook. After clicking launch, terminal will get open. Don't try to close this terminal. If you close this terminal, your program will get terminated. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Jupyter Notebook. We created one folder inside the desktop, that is Python. So go to the Python folder. Inside this, let's create new folder, new file, that is Python 3 file. And you can say, we can give it as a name as a variables. So the first thing is we will write print hello statement, that is hello world. So print hello world. Yes, suppose I have to write down again one more printing statement, print hello world 2 for example, and I want to comment line number 1. So what I have to do, I have to just go to that line, then add hash at the starting of the line. Then if you run this program, you will get that you only get hello world 2, first line will get commented. Okay, now it's time for variables and data type. As you know there are various data types like integer, floats, strings, booleans. Inside this we also have many data types. So to declare a variable inside Python, you have to write down a variable name, that is, for example, age is equal to 24, and click on run button. That means your age is get stored into this variable. Now if you want to print this variable, you have to write down print age, and once you click that, you can get age is equal to 24. Suppose there is a name is equal to wisdom sprouts. Make sure when you are writing string, that always comes under the double inverted commas. So name is equal to wisdom sprouts, and if I want to print that name, so print name, as you can see, wisdom sprouts. Now if you want to check a type of a variable, that is a data type of a variable, there is one inbuilt function, that is type, and you have to write down the variable name. So variable name is age. As you can see that type of age is integer. Suppose I have to write down type of name and run that program, you will get that type of name is string. Suppose I created a third variable, that is, for example, area of circle 44.56. Run that program. If I want to print this, I have to use print area of circle, then you will get that 44.56. Then if you want to check the type of that, so type and variable name area of circle. Yes, suppose we will get one more variable, that is available, is equal to true, and if I check the type of is avail, then you can get that it is a boolean type. So these are variables, you can write down true or false. So these are variables and data types in the Python: integer, string, float, boolean, and this is how you can add comment into your project. So guys, please subscribe our channel and click to bell icon to get more details. Thank you.